How to fix Pinterest login problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First thing to do here is to go to Play Store and then type Pinterest and now check if there's any update and then just update your Pinterest, and after that go to settings and then scroll all the way down until you find here apps and then apps again, and here type Pinterest and click on it, and after that click force stop and now go to storage and clear cache and data, click clear data and click OK, and that's it. Now restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.